Talk about a crazy year. More Yeezys. Wow. What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Yeezy 700 V2 static. So yes, can you believe it? Another pair of Yeezys and another pair of Yeezy 700s, and not just your regular 700s. This is version 2. He only released 2 colorways in the V1 with the Wave Runners and the Mauve or Mauve player. Now he's gone straight to the V2 with the statics, and there's even rumours of the new year there's going to be even more colours of the original 700. A little bit of a weird rollout and all that, but I'm down for it. Dope Yeezys, count your boy in. So these come in your standard Yeezy box. Brown box, there's 700 on this side. Yeezy 700 made by Adidas on this side. And the colorway wise, it is static, static, static. And I got these in a UK 11. All my Yeezys these days I get in the UK 11. I can probably get away with wearing a 10.5 in V2s, but definitely 11 in 700 so far. Speaking to my boy, he said these fit a little bit more snug than the OG Wave Runners, so we shall see. Hopefully it fits fine, but we shall see. Let's get to opening the box. And boom, here is the sneaker in all its glory. As usual, it's super bright in this room, so maybe you won't be able to see it as detailed as I can see it, but I'll have pictures and stuff for the close-ups. But on first view, this sneaker is pretty crazy, and I'm seeing the hype straight away. I was proper in two minds about this shoe from the jump. Speak to Sam Sagwa, speak to my boy Jefferson. I was like, I think I can pass on these. I don't know if I need another pair of 700s, but seeing them in hand, kind of fire. Let's get some close-ups. So silhouette wise, you can see why this is a 700. Pretty similar to the Wave Runner in its sort of shape. This is a little bit slightly different, and obviously the pattern on it is totally different to what you got on the standard Wave Runner OG and all that. But you do get some dope materials as usual with the Yeezy, which is a nice touch. Multiple different kind of materials on this. Loads of 3M. It's a crazy shoe. So starting on the toe box, you've got this very premium leather in a sort of light grey colorway. Then you've got a 3M hit just here on the curvature of the toe area, and then behind it is some premium prime knit going on the shoe. They've got prime knit throughout the shoe, all out the shoe. Again here on the toe box, and then on the lateral side you've got some prime knit sitting behind the technically 3 stripes which are done in that crazy 3M. I believe on this video, because I've got a light above, you're probably seeing it in its clean 3M, but I will show you what it's like without that hit on it. But very nice touch. I love that it pops. Seeing it in the video, it looks dope how it's popping like that. Along the laces, again more of that premium leather. The top 2 eyelets are done in a different shape to the other ones, but nothing significant with that. The tongue itself done in prime knit mesh, pretty standard grey. Would have been nice to have something written there, don't know what, but maybe a YZY or something, but pretty clean. The laces, I'm not sure if these are 3M or not. Doesn't look like it from the video, but standard sort of grey rope-ish laces, nice little touch. You get some nice, lovely hits of off-white sort of premium leather on the lateral side here, and also going around the back of the shoe in this sort of weird V-ish shape. It's sort of off-white premium leather, more hits of the prime knit, more 3M, as I said, 3M everywhere on the shoe. And the medial side is the same again. A little bit of a bigger hit of that premium off-white leather, and then more 3M and more prime knit. Simple-ish kind of shoe, but super duper fire. The midsole is the thing that stands out the most on these shoes, of course. Super chunky, dad shoe vibes, but I think this is, to be honest, more of a dad shoe than the standard Wave Runner. I could see a random dad just picking up his kid, sort of dad that rocks New Balances. Funny enough, I posted a picture on my Instagram stories of a random pair of basic grey New Balance saying Yeezy 700s, who's excited? And now I've got a pair, and I can see how they still have that vibe, but I can see how they're also super fire. On the Wave Runners, I keep comparing it, but this bit here was coloured in and it was 3M, but from the looks of it, it looks like it's just plain white on this. And the sole of the shoe, again, very much like the OG, black and white, with the boost pod sticking through. Sometimes when you get these shoes, that are the Yeezys, you forget that it's a boost shoe because the boost is so hidden compared to like an ultra boost and all that. But it's sitting on a big chunk of boost, so hopefully it is just as comfortable. Gonna chuck these on, show you what they're like. There we go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Yeezy 700 V2 static on feet. I can tell you sizing wise, I would say they pretty much fit the same as the Wave Runners to me. I don't know, I think I've got weird feet to be honest compared to other people. I think most people could probably go with just half a size up from their true sizing and they would be fine. But on my feet, generally what happens is my big toe is like right at the front and then my other toes, shall we say, there's a little bit of space. So on this shoe, it's technically the right size, but I do get a lot of, what do you call it? My heel is coming out of the shoe if I don't have it super tight down. So technically that make me think I can get 10.5, but I've got the original OGs and a 10.5 at first, and I did not find them comfortable. I've got 11s now. They're slightly tiny bit loose, but I prefer that than being super snug. So if that helps at all, full size up for me works. Half a size up for most people I would assume would be okay. Take that as you can. Hopefully you can try on a pair before you buy. Probably not. But yeah, liking them on feet, super comfortable as I said, with that boost. Nice boost. Inside the shoe it says Adidas Yeezy Ortholite with that insole in there. Take out the insole and show you what that's like. Standard, not super chunky but comfortable enough. It's sitting on boost, so that's what all that matters really in the long run. But yeah, the shoe's dope, I must say. It was a shoe that I got from Yeezy. I got it from Offspring on their raffle. It popped up and I wasn't going to put my name down. I was like, I've said many times that I'm not sure if the shoe is for me. But as it got closer and the time was going, I thought, why not put my name down? If I don't like it, I can obviously return it. It's not a big deal. But I do like it, and these will be 100% staying in my collection. My Yeezy collection is growing now. I think I'm at 10 pairs, crazy, but it is what it is. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully the details helped you. Hopefully the sizing information helped you. Follow me on Instagram, Ashbash Sneakers. Dope pictures always. Twitter is Perfection7. All the info down below in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that sort of stuff. And yeah, more videos to come. Hopefully in the new year I can get on my Monday videos again. It's been slacking lately. I've just been so busy with this and that, and just a bit lazy in the house as well. But it is what it is. That's sneaker YouTube for you. I'm out. Later, y'all.